Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure and subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.
So, after that course, there's a breakdown that we do, and it's called the drum breakdown. A lot of people don't really, you'll get assigned like cut, you'll get an X, or you'll even get pointed at drummer, and that's your sign to make sure that you do the breakdown with the floor toms. So the breakdown is very fun. I love breakdowns. And this breakdown is very simple. On the album, the drummer is very simple. He's very, very professional. He's not doing nothing crazy. But if you're an advanced drummer, you can go ahead and do a chop that leads in back to the chorus. But if you're not at that level yet, you will get there. But play what's comfortable. If you hear something in your mind, try to break the song down and take your time and do it and try to learn it. Check it out. Here it is. Here's a drum breakdown. That drum breakdown, you can do whatever you like, but remember, make sure it sounds clean, and make sure that you land on the one. Don't skip or miss the one. That's number one rule. Don't miss the one. And then there's some hits that I want to teach you guys. Those hits are in every chorus, and you want to make sure that when you hit hits, make sure you're hitting them with the band as a unit, as a whole. You don't want to hit a hit and you're the only one hitting it and you stand out. So you want to make sure that everyone's hitting it. So it's ba 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 ba, just like that, and that's the same as the ending. So I'm going to play the chorus into the end, and then we'll go from there. And right after that, the song's not over. Everyone thinks that the end of the song is the end, but no, when you're crescendoing your cymbals, you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the music director or whoever's in charge of the band, because they can take it to the next level by hitting another chord, and if you're watching their head, you can accent and crash your cymbals with them. So that's a very good note to make sure of. Always keep your eyes and your ears open and pay attention to the end of every song, because you might go into a praise break, but if you're not paying attention, you could be looking down, doing something, and you miss the hit. So you want to be locked in as a drummer and pay attention to what's going on around you.